Hello friends, last we completed exercise 8.1. Now here we discuss about general and middle terms in a binomial expansion. We know that binomial theorem, binomial expansion of a plus b raised to n is equal to nc0 a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2 plus up to plus last term becomes ncn b raised to n. A raised to n minus n, that is a 0, so a raised to 0 becomes 1, so last term we get ncn b raised to n. Now look here first term t1 is equal to nc0 a raised to n. Second term t2 is equal to nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to n. Third term t3 is equal to nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2. So here remember this, t1 is equal to t0 plus 1, t2 is equal to t1 plus 1, t3 is equal to t2 plus 1, and generally proceeding in this manner, successive terms we get r terms, r plus 1 terms, tr plus 1 is equal to, here r is equal to 2, here r is equal to 1, here r is equal to 0, so tr plus 1 terms is equal to, remember this, ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r. Clear? R is equal to 2, then here nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2. Clear? So this becomes a general terms in expansion of a plus b raised to n in binomial expansion. Okay, so remember this important formula of r plus 1 terms. Now here we discuss about middle terms in expansion of a plus b raised to n. Middle term. Middle term. Remember this here, if n is even, then number of terms in expansion of a plus b raised to n. Here a plus b raised to n contain 1 to n plus a 0, that is this term 1, that is n plus 1 terms. In expansion of a plus b raised to n, we get n plus 1 terms. So if n is even, then we get a number of terms is odd. So midterm becomes, if n is even, then middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term. Clear? Remember this. So if n is even, then remember this, n by 2 plus 1 terms becomes a middle term. That is a t n by 2 plus 1 becomes middle term. Okay? And n is odd. N is n, if n odd, then n is odd, then number of terms in expansion of a plus b raised to n is equal to even. 1 to n odd number plus add 1, so become even. So there are two middle terms. So if n is odd, then n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 term becomes a middle term or middle term. So remember this here, n is even, then n by 2 plus 1 term become middle term. N is odd, then there are two middle term, n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1 becomes a middle term. Clear? Now here we solve question of exercise 8.2. Now 8.2, first question. Find the coefficient of number 1 x raised to 5 and x plus 3 raised to 8. Remember this here. In all question we keep this formula TR plus 1, that is a general form, general terms in expansion of a binomial, that is a binomial expansion. In expansion of a plus b raised to n, TR plus 1 is equal to NCR, a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. Remember this formula, important formula. Most of we use this formula. Here to find the coefficient of x raised to 5, first we find r plus 1 terms. So here the r plus 1 terms is equal to, n is equal to 8 here, 8CR x raised to 8 minus r, 3 raised to r. Clear? So is equal to 8CR 3 raised to r into x raised to 8 minus r. Here we want to get coefficient of x raised to 5. That is a coefficient of x raised to 5. We compare 8 minus r with 5. For coefficient of x raised to 5, take 8 minus 5, 8 minus r is equal to 5. Therefore r take this side, 5 take this side, so r is equal to 8 minus 5, so is equal to 3. So r is equal to 3. Now r is equal to take 3 in this coefficient. Therefore coefficient of x raised to 5 is equal to 8C r is equal to 3 into 3 raised to 3. Clear? So is equal to 8C3 is equal to 8 factorial upon 8 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 raised to 3, that is a 27. So is equal to 8 factorial upon 8 minus 3, that is a 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 27. So is equal to 8 factorial, that is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, then factorial upon 5 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1 into 27. Now 5 factorial from both cancel. 3 to 6 cancel. So is equal to 27 into 7 into 8 is equal to simplification. Here using calculator find this number 1512. Okay. Now question number 2. Find coefficient of a raised to 5, b raised to 7 and a minus 2b raised to 12. Number 2. Coefficient of a raised to 5, b raised to 7 and expansion of a minus 2b raised to 12. Find r plus 1 terms is equal to 12cr. Here a raised to 12 minus r minus 2b raised to r. So is equal to 12cr. Here minus 2 raised to r minus 2 raised to r, a raised to 12 minus r and the b raised to r. So here coefficient of a raised to 12 minus r, b raised to r becomes this. Therefore, coefficient of a raised to 5, b raised to 7 for. Therefore, for coefficient of a raised to 5, b raised to 7, take 12 minus r power of a is equal to 5. Therefore, r take this side, so r is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So r is equal to 7. Now r is equal to 7, put here. Therefore, coefficient of a raised to 5, b raised to 7 is equal to 12c. Here for this coefficient, here coefficient of a raised to 5, b raised to 7, take r is equal to 7 in these terms. So 12c 7 minus 2 raised to 7, so is equal to 12c 7, that is 12 factorial, upon 12 minus 7, that is 5 factorial, into 7 factorial into minus 2 raised to 7. So is equal to 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, then factorial, upon 5 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 7 factorial. 7 factorial from both cancel into minus 2 raised to 7. So is equal to, now simplify this, 4, 3, 12, 5, 2, 10. So 11 into 9 into 8 is equal to, using calculator, 792 into minus 2 raised to 7 is equal to minus 128. So is equal to, using calculator, find this number 101376. Okay. So this become coefficient of a raised to 5, b raised to 7. Clear this? So in this type of equation, first we find the general term tr plus 1 terms, and here this become coefficient of a raised to 12 minus r, b raised to r. So to get a coefficient of a raised to 5, b raised to 7, compare power of a or power of b. Here power of b r, here r is equal to 7. So directly we get r is equal to 7. We get a coefficient of required terms. Okay. Now next question. Write the general terms in expansion of x raised to 2 minus y raised to 6. Next, write the general terms in expansion of x raised to 2 minus y raised to 6. So here general terms is a tr plus 1 is equal to 6cr, x raised to 2 raised to 6 minus r minus y raised to r. So is equal to 6cr x raised to 12 minus 2r minus 1 raised to r into y raised to r. Now simplify this. 6cr minus 1 raised to r into x raised to 12 minus 2r into y raised to r. Clear? So this become general terms. Okay. Applying same, we get a general terms in a 4. X raised to 2 minus yx raised to 12. Applying same, find these general terms. Solve yourself. Now question number 5. Find the 4 terms in expansion of, find the 4 terms T4 in expansion of x minus 2y raised to 12. Remember this here, T4 is equal to, change into r plus 1 form, T3 plus 1 is equal to 12c3 x raised to 12 minus 3 and the minus 2y raised to 3. Clear? Apply this formula. Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r in expansion of a plus b raised to n. Okay. Here a is equal to x, b is equal to minus 2y and n is equal to 12. So find the 4 terms. For T4, change into r plus 1 form, that is 3 plus 1. So is equal to 12c3, that is 12 factorial upon 12 minus 3, that is 9 factorial into 3 factorial. Here x raised to 12 minus 3, that is 9 minus 2 raised to 3 into y raised to 3. So is equal to 12 factorial, that is a 12 into 10 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial upon 9 factorial, 3 factorial, that 3 into 2 into 1 into minus 2 raised to 3 x raised to 9 y raised to 3. Clear? So is equal to, here 9 factorial cancel, here this is 11, 9 4 3 12 and or 3 to 6 6 to 12 directly. Okay. So using calculator, 2 into 11 into 10 into minus 2 raised to 3, that is minus 8. So becomes minus, using calculator find these numbers, this becomes minus 1760 x raised to 9 y raised to 3. Okay. Now question number 6. Find the 13 terms in expansion of, 13 terms in expansion of 9x minus 1 upon 3 root x raised to 18. Find the 13 terms. We know that Tr plus 1 terms is equal to 18Cr 9x raised to 18 minus r minus 1 upon 3 root x raised to r. Same apply for this here for 13 terms. T13 is equal to, change into r plus 1 form. So T12 plus 1. So is equal to 18C12 9x raised to, subtraction of 18 minus and 12, 18 minus 12 minus 1 upon 3 root x raised to 12. Clear? So is equal to 18C12 is equal to 18 factorial upon 18 minus 12, that is 6 factorial into 12 factorial into 9x raised to 18 minus 12, that is 6. Here minus 1 raised to 12, and 1 upon 3 raised to 12, x raised to 1 by 2 raised to 12, that is x raised to 6. Clear? You know that x raised to 1 by 2 raised to 12 is equal to power of power. Then we take multiplication of beta power, 1 by 2 into 12, that is x raised to 6. Okay, so is equal to 18 factorial. Here 12 factorial given. So 18 factorial, 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 factorial upon 6 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 12 factorial into 9 raised to 6 x raised to 6 minus 1 raised to 12 become positive into 1 upon 3 raised to 12, that is 3 raised to 2 raised to 6, that is 9 raised to 6. Okay, x raised to 6. Here 9 raised to 6 from both cancel, x raised to 6 also cancel, 12 factorial cancel. Here next 6 3 18 cancel. Here 5 3 15. Here next 4 4 16 and 7 4. So is equal to, now using calculator find this number, 17 into 4 into 7 3 into 7 into 13. These numbers become here 18564. Okay, that is 80,564. Clear? Now next question, find middle terms in expansion of 3 minus x raised to 3 upon 6 raised to 7. Find the middle terms. Here n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7 is a odd. So number of terms in expansion of this is equal to becomes even. So there are two midterms. So n is equal to 7 is odd. Therefore n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 plus 1 8 by 2 એટલે fourth, that is a fourth, and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is a 4 plus 1 fifth is equal to fifth terms are midterm or a middle term. Clear? Middle term. Now find the both middle terms. First find the first middle term, T4 is equal to, we know that formula, T3 plus 1 is equal to, here 7C3 3 raised to 7 minus 3 minus x raised to 3 upon 6 raised to 3. Clear? Now simplify this. So equal to becomes 7C3 is equal to 7 factorial upon 7 minus 3, that is 4 factorial into 3 factorial, 3 raised to 4 into minus 1 raised to 3 into x raised to 3 raised to 3 that is x raised to 9 upon 6 raised to 3. Clear? So is equal to 7 factorial that is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial into here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times minus 1 raised to 3 is equal to minus sign right first, x raised to 9 upon 6 raised to 3, that is 3 raised to 3, so 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 raised to 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2. Clear? 3 into 2 raised to 3, that is 3 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 3. So to remove this 3 times cancel, here 4 factorial cancel, 3 to 6 also cancel, so is equal to minus 7 into 3, 7 into 5 into 3, 7 into 5 into 3 using calculator. Using calculator find this, so becomes minus 105 upon 2, that is 8 x raised to 9. Clear? Now second midterms, fifth terms, that is t 5 is equal to t 4 plus 1, so is equal to, now applying same find this fifth terms, 7c4 3 raised to 7 minus 4, that is 3 minus x raised to 3 upon 6 raised to 4. Okay, simplify this. 7c4 equal to 7 factorial upon 7 minus 4, that is 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 3 raised to 3 into minus 1 raised to 4 become positive into x raised to 4 3 12 upon 6 raised to 4. So is equal to, here 7 factorial split up to 4 factorial, 7 6 5 4, then factorial upon 3 2 1 into 4 factorial, okay, into 3 raised to 3 x raised to 12 upon 6 raised to 4. Okay, so 4 factorial from both cancel, 3 to 6 cancel. Now simplify this. So 7 into 5 becomes 35, 3 raised to 3 becomes 27 upon 6 raised to 4 is equal to 1296 into x raised to 12. So is equal to, now simplify this, 35 upon 48 x raised to 12. After simplification we get answer 35 upon 48. Clear? So this is the second midterms. Now next same question given in question number 8. X upon 3 plus 9y raised to 10. Find midterms. Here n is equal to 10 is even. Therefore, number of terms in expansion of these terms is odd. So one term become midterms, and n by 2 plus 1 is equal to 10 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 10 by 2, 5 plus 1, that is 6 terms is a middle term. Clear? Middle term. Now find the 6 terms applying same. Therefore T6 is equal to T5 plus 1 is equal to 10C5 x upon 3 raised to 10 minus 5, that is 5, 9y raised to 5. So is equal to 10 factorial upon 10 minus 5, that is 5 factorial, into 5 factorial into x raised to 5 upon 3 raised to 5 into 9 raised to 5 into y raised to 5. Now simplify this. 10 factorial, that is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, then factorial upon 5 factorial into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into here 9, that is 9 raised to 5 into x raised to 5 y raised to 5 upon 3 raised to 5. Clear? So is equal to here 5 factorial cancel. Simplification. Using calculator we find this number 61236 x raised to 5 y raised to 5. Okay, this become middle terms. Now question number 9. In expansion of 1 plus a raised to m plus n, prove that coefficient of a raised to m and a raised to n are equal. Student, question number 9 to remaining question and miscellaneous question we solve in a next lecture. Okay, bye.